In this video I'm going to show you two ways of installing games on SideQuest that have been purchased through itch.io. So first of all, if you've already purchased a game through SideQuest, if you go through the full checkout process and click the download button, it should intercept the install and put it on the headset straight away. But let's say that that step's been missed. So first of all, make sure your headset's plugged in and you've got the green light to show that you're connected. So what we're going to do first of all is go into Games and find the game that you want to install. And I'm going to browse down to Buy on Itch. Now because I've already been through the checkout process, it says that I already own this game and I can download it. So I'll just simply click on that button. And now we get taken to our private download page and click on the download button. And that's asking us to... This is now SideQuest that's intercepted this download request. And it's asking us if we want to install that directly on our Quest. So I'll just click Continue. So you'll see down at the bottom, we've got a little message saying that it's starting the app install. But nothing's really happening on the page. Now, it's also started a task down here. So don't be fooled into thinking that's not doing anything. If I click on the one task, we can see that it's in the progress of downloading that. So let's just give that a little bit of time to finish. Okay, so it's now finished the download and it's automatically gone on to the installation step. And there we go, got a little message at the bottom, all tasks complete. And that's it. So that game will now be fully installed on the Quest. Now, if that's not working for you, or you're not getting the option to do the download, if you go into your emails, when you purchased the game originally, you'll have got an email like this. So this is when you purchased it through itch. So you can click on the download your purchase button in there. And again, we take it to this screen now. So bear in mind now, we're just in a Chrome browser at this point. So we're not in SideQuest at all. So I've navigated from my mail system into itch. And again, we've got the same screen that we saw earlier to say I can download it. Now this time when I click download, the browser is just going to deal with that. So again, we'll just have a little delay. So this is now downloading it just to my local drive, so not onto the Quest at all. It's not going to try and install it for us. So when this is done, we're going to have to find that file on our local disk. So with the Chrome browser, that's made nice and easy for us. So we can click on the arrow and we can choose to show in the folder. So once it's complete doing the countdown, that's the way we're going to do it. If you're using a different browser, there'll be other ways, other menu options where you can click through and go to the downloads folder. That's what you're looking for. And you'll see it's downloading something called an APK file. So that's one file that's holding all the application data that we need. Okay, that's there. So if I say show in folder, so this is my downloads directory, and you can see there I've got the file. So by whatever means you get hold of this file, this is the point we need to get to now. We need to drag it into SideQuest. So if if I bring SideQuest up, there's a certain place where you can go to drag and drop. So games is where we were first looking at the game originally. So up there now you'll just see we've got the logo. If I scroll down to VR games and click on there, then now it says drag and drop your APK OBB files over this message to install. So if I bring up my Windows Explorer again, so the file I've saved, and I'm just going to click and drag that, and it's got to go right up over there. So you'll see now you're getting a little pop-up drag files here. So I'll drop that, and that's as far as you need to go. That will now be installing that onto the headset. So I'll just clear that. So there's an old message there as well. You can see that's still going through the install. And again, when it's complete, all tasks completed, and that's successfully installed it. So that's it. So that's two different ways of tackling the problem of getting your files onto the Quest of installing a game. So I hope that's helpful.